Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a funding rotation strategy using Kabbage. Now, do you want to keep your business cash flowing without stress? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple, effective funding rotation strategy using Kabbage so that you're never caught off guard financially. Let's get into it. Step one, understand the concept. Now, a funding rotation means drawing funds in cycles, strategically timing when you borrow and repay, all to avoid large sums and optimize interest. Step two, map out monthly expenses. Now, start by listing your monthly fixed and variable expenses. Highlight the periods when your expenses peak, such as payroll, inventory restock, or seasonal costs. Step 3, align Kabbage draws to expenses peak. Now, use your Kabbage line of credit to draw funds just before those high expense periods. This ensures that your business never runs short of working capital when it's needed the most. Step 4, repay when revenue comes in. Now, once your customers' payments or revenue flows in, you want to repay the draw quickly. This resets your available credit and helps to minimize interest fees. Step 5, repeat the cycle. Now stick to this rotation month after month. Over time, it becomes second nature, keeping cash flow steady, interest low, and your finances stress-free. Now, if you're serious about mastering cash flow management, this strategy is a game changer. You want to make sure that you're taking advantage of this, to make things so much easier for yourself. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.